You're probably wondering what happened to the blackberry. Well, first we took the blackberry and removed the inner seeds, removed the skin and washed them, and we got them ready to germinate on a piece of damp paper towel. We dried them out for a week, replaced the paper towel. I don't know, y'all, this happened. So I replaced the paper towel again, but then this happened. What the fuck? I don't know if we like
blackberry.